This is the ultimate guide to resolving the persistent Apex Legends error code 0x887A0006. After extensive personal testing, I have identified effective solutions to restore your gameplay stability. The first method focuses on foundational system integrity. Updating graphics drivers is crucial because outdated drivers can cause rendering conflicts, leading to this specific error. Verifying game files ensures no corrupted data within Apex Legends itself is triggering the issue. Running as administrator grants the game necessary permissions it might otherwise lack, preventing access-related errors. Disabling full-screen optimizations helps the game render more directly, bypassing potential Windows interference. Adjusting in-game graphics settings can reduce strain on your GPU, which might be the root cause if the error stems from hardware limitations. Clearing the game cache removes temporary files that could become corrupted and cause persistent problems. Finally, ensuring your Windows OS is up to date often includes critical patches that address compatibility issues. Method 2 delves deeper into software dependencies. Reinstalling Visual C++ redistributables is vital as many games, including Apex Legends, rely on these components for proper functioning. Repairing DirectX installation addresses core graphics rendering libraries that may have become damaged. Checking for overheating issues is paramount. Excessive heat can cause hardware instability and trigger graphics errors like 0x887A0006. Disabling overlays prevents them from interfering with the game's rendering pipeline. Updating your motherboard BIOS can improve hardware compatibility and stability, indirectly resolving graphics card communication issues. Rolling back a graphics driver is sometimes necessary if a recent update introduced a bug. Checking game server status rules out external network problems. Method 3 introduces more advanced driver and system configurations. A clean install of graphics drivers removes all residual files from previous installations, preventing conflicts. Excluding the Apex Legends folder from antivirus scans stops the security software from mistakenly flagging game files as threats. Setting a high-performance power plan ensures your system dedicates maximum resources to the game. Disabling Windows Game Mode can sometimes resolve conflicts it creates. Changing launch options allows for specific command line arguments that can force certain rendering behaviors. Deleting game config files resets in-game settings to defaults, resolving any corrupted configuration data. Testing with different RAM modules helps identify if faulty memory is causing system instability. Method 4 involves complete system resets and hardware checks. Reinstalling Apex Legends provides a fresh, clean installation, eliminating any lingering corruption. Formatting and reinstalling your OS is a last resort but can fix deep-seated system issues. Checking for corrupt system files uses built-in Windows tools to repair critical OS components. Undervolting your graphics card can reduce heat and power draw, stabilizing performance. Lowering graphics card overclock settings removes potential instability from aggressive tuning. Ensuring sufficient disk space prevents performance issues caused by a full drive. Finally, contacting EA support offers direct assistance if all other methods fail.